We're fighting for our lives over here. No, it's recording. Put on your goggles. Stop on this.
No.
Can you not see?
I can see.
Alright, yeah. There's a problem. Just make sure you not get snow blind this.
Black. This is really unexpected black.
Yeah, no kidding. You're okay.
Huh?
We're okay.
Okay.
This area is very flat. This area is very solid.
Huh?
This area is solid.
I don't see the end.
They're safe, they're safe. It's okay over there. The end's right over. It's like a. It's just like this, over there, about along the edge.
Yeah. Yeah, it's not steep. So I guess we're going down to Big Red from here.
I saw some dude go to the right. I'll try sticking that way.
Take a look. Let's go to the right.
I'm not climbing up. This is fine. It's not a cliff. It's not a cliff. It's a. It's not a cliff. It's a slope.
Okay.
So you're good. Also, it's very solid here. Avalanche. 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 Jesus Christ. You got a cramp yet?
Huh?
You got a cramp yet?
No, no cramp.
The salt worked.
Yeah.
Next time, wish for money. Okay, so I saw people going to the right.
Huh?
You want to check the map first?
Yeah, I'll check the map.
Alright, let's check the map first.
Alright, check the map.
Let's stop recording. Let's get into it.